Husband and I added a door to our backyard earlier this year with hopes to create a walkway to our deck and a fire pit for entertaining. This is a project we have wanted forever, but have been putting off for a while. But last weekend, we finally started excavating and leveling out this entire area. This may be one of the biggest projects we have tackled because we wanted this walkway to reach our deck as well as lead out to our pool and connect to a fire pit area. Since we chose to do gravel and pavers, we needed something durable to separate the grass from the gravel. And if you have used plastic edging before, you know how difficult it is to bend and stay in place over time. So after researching, I came across a company called EdgeRite. They have metal edging that you hammer directly into the ground. As soon as I pulled it out of the box, I knew this was going to be super sturdy. And what really drew me into this edging is how customizable it is. We needed a product that wouldn't warp or crack or break over time, as well as being able to create the curved edges that we wanted for this space. And as you can see, we had zero issues with this product. We were able to bend and form even the most difficult areas that plastic edging could never stand a chance. My husband even took a wheelbarrow full of rocks over the edging and it didn't even budge one bit. This edging is so easy to connect to. They have connector clips for each piece so it stays snug together. This has truly been such a satisfying project for us. And the icing on the cake with this edging is that it continues to look better over time. Because it is made of Corten steel, it creates a natural patina that actually is going to pair so beautifully with the gravel and pavers that we chose for the space. We even miscalculated our measurements and needed a few more pieces to finish out our walkway. And EdgeRite had it shipped to our home in 2 days. It was so fast, we were able to complete this project in no time. And here you can see us bending another crazy angle again. You can see that these pieces have so many of those teeth that it's not going to move. Once you get this thing in the ground, it is staying for a lifetime. And that is what I loved about this project, is knowing that it is going to last. And when I installed this final connector piece, it felt so good to finish. All in all, the edging took us under 2 hours to install, and we will not have to worry about grass creeping into our walkway, and it creates the perfect barrier for our gravel to stay in place. Okay, now I think it's time that we circle back around and I show you where we started from in the beginning and where we ended on our first day of doing the edging. I cannot believe what a transformation this truly has been. We finally got to say goodbye to these ugly pavers that kept shifting under our feet to a beautiful walkway that we can truly be proud of. To show you guys the new fire pit we got. It is from EdgeRite. We are about to unbox it, so let's get to it. Okay, but actually first, I'm going to rewind and show you guys where we started. My husband and I built an entire walkway and fire pit area using this metal edging from a company called EdgeRite. We absolutely fell in love with their products. And since we were taking the time to upgrade this entire space, my husband and I decided it is time to upgrade that old rusted up fire pit as well. So we are going to be unboxing and putting our new fire pit together. This is going to be a super easy build since it just comes with 5 pieces total and it is a tool-free assembly. I mean, could you ask for anything better? Sturdy. Solid. And yeah, these pieces are solid. We found that for this assembly, it's best to have 2 people. That way one person can hold one side up while the other one holds the other side up. And we used our legs to do this. And then you're able to kind of slide that third piece in. This is the hardest one to get in. Once you get this piece, the 4th piece just seems to fall right into place. And then all you have to do is then take that middle piece and plop it right in the center, and then you are done. I'm going to tell you why this fire pit is the absolute best. The top reason is that it will not rust out. This fire pit is made from the same Corten steel as the edging, so there is zero concern for it breaking in a year or 2 like the other fire pits on the market. This one will last you a lifetime. And number 2 reason is that you do not need to cover this fire pit. Just like the edging, this will continue to get a natural patina over time and will look better with age. I love that it's going to match and blend beautifully with the edging as well. This space is going to truly feel so cohesive. This fire pit also comes in 2 sizes. The one you see here is the smaller campfire size, but it also comes in a larger bonfire size. If you have the space for it, I highly recommend checking it out on their website. Last but not least, let's talk about the design style. It is very sleek and unique, but it's not just for the looks. The V-shaped design is built to keep your fire burning longer. When I found that out, I just thought that was the coolest little bit of information because not only is this fire pit a statement piece for your backyard, but it also has the functionality that you need to keep your fire burning longer. I mean, that's just a win-win. And if all those reasons aren't enough to convince you, then I do not know what is. It was definitely time for us to say goodbye to our old, rusting out fire pit and say hello to our brand new fire pit. I cannot wait for all of the cozy nights we get to enjoy with our family and friends.